Hello. Welcome and welcome back. This is episode 2 of my Fake Sweets series. I am doing a Lollipops, obviously. And in the beginning, you saw my kids just painting up some foam rounds. All I did to make these was get a big old foam board from Dollar Tree, and then I just traced out some circles with some random things, and then I hot glued them to some dowels I got from Walmart, and just let my kids paint them. Now on this one, I decided to start with some Mod Podge, and on top of the wet Mod Podge, I am putting on some puffy paint because I wanted glitter to stick to this entire thing. Some glitter and some fake sprinkles. I actually forgot to tell you, when doing something like this, you want to add your sprinkles first. I have accidentally added the glitter first and then tried to add the sprinkles, and the sprinkles won't stick. So definitely do the sprinkles first, and then once you are done adding your sprinkles, put your glitter on top of that. Pro tip. Just look how precious this is. That is why I needed the glitter to be on the entire foam round. Now on this yellow one here, I decided to go a different route and just add some icing drips. I started off by outlining my drips and then going in with the puffy paint and filling it in, and I will do the exact same thing, sprinkles first, glitter last. Now this one, I decided to go a totally different route with this one. I Mod Podged it, clearly, and then I add my glitter, and then I put some puffy paint on top of that. that's it for these. They're so easy to make. And really, they don't cost that much. The most expensive part is the glitter and the fake sprinkles, which you can find on Amazon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.